What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do a little quick video on this because this is a pretty common problem on these cars. And it's kind of annoying. So I got these trunk struts. I've been doing my research and trying to find out which ones work the best. I know I saw a couple videos on this, but not really many. And they don't really explain which ones to get. I think the one I saw was like over in Europe or something. It didn't even have like American parts or something like that. I'm in America, so I'm gonna do a video on the American parts. This is the part I got. There's the part number. These struts are for a, what is that? 2004 Kia Sorento. These are the hood struts for the hood, not for the liftgate. I got these on here because they're stronger, obviously. I even heard you can replace the factory Lexus trunk struts and it'll still do the same thing. And that's pretty bad. The trunk feels like it's heavy. It feels like the struts are broken, even with new ones on there. That's pretty bad. Love the car, but hate that little thing. This is what I'm talking about. You pop it, and it doesn't do anything. It unlocks, but it doesn't have any strength to it. Just falls back down. See? That's annoying, especially when you got your hands full of bags or something like that. So I found a way to make it stay open and pop open like normal cars, like most cars do. So I'm not gonna make a video on how to take this cover off because it's pretty easy. I mean, you got these little clips here, you got some Velcro on the sides, you got your little tabs that just pop on the sides. You press down on the sides and then pull them down. Press down on both. There's two of them, one on each side, and then you pull it down. There's a video on that already. I'm not gonna make a video on that, but I want to show you how to replace these and which ones to get so you can get the results that you're trying to get out of this trunk, and I'm sure everybody wants. Take your screwdriver, and what you want to do is, while this is on the car, I already took it off. You take the little clip here and you pry up on it, and same on the bottom. You pry out on it, and then that end just pops right off. The other end, you can either, knock it off with a hammer or something, or you can pry the little black clip in there, stick a flathead in there and pry that little black clip out. Either way, it comes right off. You don't need to be careful with it because this is the old one going in the trash anyway. I just take a hammer and knocked it right off a couple times. Came right off. So, once you have it off, you take your new one, pop on the back end, just snap it on there, just snaps into place. Then you come to your front here and snap it on the front, but it's not gonna fit. It's a little bit longer. It's like an inch longer or so than the factory one. And you can push up on the trunk all you want, but you're not gonna get much leverage. So what you do is you pull your trunk down a little bit and you look for this trunk stop right here. This little rubber trunk stop. Take that and just wiggle it out. It goes out that way towards the center of the car. Wiggle that out. Let me get on this side. Wiggle that out. See, it goes into a little notch. And just wiggle that out. Then you'll have a little bit of more of an inch to push the trunk up further and slide on your new strut. See, it pops right on there now. Pops right in place. Good to go. Lower it back down a little bit. Well, that's a little bit tighter now, so you got to pull it from the top. Lower it back down, put your little stopper back in there, and then you're good to go. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna cut it and then come back. All right, put your little stopper in there, and then you're good to go. It feels much tighter. I already did the passenger side already. It's new. I already did that one already, like a couple days ago. I thought one was gonna be enough from some of the videos I saw, but it wasn't. it holds up a little better, but it doesn't pop it up automatically like I want. I want mine to be automatic. So both sides are done. You know, reattach put your cloth cover vanity stuff back up. It requires a little more force now to press it down. But once that's on, then you go from before, when it didn't even move when you pushed the button, to this. But those parts were 04 Kia Sorento. So just look for those at any parts store. I got mine from O'Reilly. They were $38 a piece. And they do the job just well. It feels like it actually has a little bit of force on it now. Like it just, like a trunk should go up. Because before, you had to lift it all the way up by hand and hope it didn't fall on your head. But any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, peace.